Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video and we'll talk some
Well,
more.
hey family, happy Monday. This is Darlene. Of course, you know it's a work day for me, so I'm not able to actually videotape myself making the jewelry while I'm working. However, I can videotape it after I make it. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. In between my little breaks and little sessions here and there, I'm sitting here beading and doing some stuff. So the most I can do is just go ahead and videotape it after I make it. So later on tonight, I will be videotaping like full videos. But for right now, just showing you what I have made for today. These are hand painted beads, and these are the 20 millimeter. They were unfinished wood beads when I bought them. There is a link in the description down there somewhere where you can grab these off of Amazon. There's also a link for the paint that I use, and then I also used a little, I think it's called satin varnish is what I put on it because I like just a little light coat of shine on them. Not too shiny or anything, just enough shine. They last and they wear really well. And I also have some aluminum wire focal pieces right here. Of course, link in the description. You can find this on Amazon, and this is a 15 gauge wire. So we do have that. We got some coral up in here, some agate. We got a couple of the charms that we got the other day from Toomey. This charm, I put a layer of clear fingernail polish on the front and the back because I'm thinking this charm is gonna tarnish. Well, what I was thinking it was gonna tarnish. I don't think it'll tarnish now because I put a layer of clear polish on the front and also on the back. So that should save them for a while. I don't know why I was thinking that about these, but it just seemed like they would. And then we also have some over here, the little Buddha head, one of the ideology uh, tokens or charms, a little t-shirt with a heart on it. I should have put a layer on this too. I think I will put a layer of clear polish on this one as well because it might fade. So we'll go ahead and cover that one. And then I did some custom little wire charms out of that 15 gauge wire. Got a couple evil eye beads on here. What else we got? Oh, and then we have another hand painted bead with some wire on it. And then this is what we came out with, a nice little 3-piece stack of 20 millimeter wood beads, hand painted. And you can see how cool they look on. Just masterpieces on the arm. So you can dress these up, you can dress them down, you can throw them on with some jeans, t-shirt, nice dress, like anything you wanted to put on, I would dress around the bracelets. So the bracelets are an accessory. However, you can dress around your accessories. And for these 3 pieces, I would literally dress my outfit around these bracelets, meaning that the bracelets are my focal, and then whatever I would wear would have to be worn around this. They would have to match well, the color, the style, whatever it is. But I really like these. I like the way they came out. They look great. They're light. The wood beads are very light. I bought some beads one time before. They seem like some really heavy beads. These are not heavy beads at all. Very lightweight, fits comfortably on the wrist. Just no itching, no anything like that. Just very comfortable. And I've worn bracelets like this like all day, and they wear very well. So this is what we got right now. Just a real pretty 3-piece set with the charms on it. And guess what? Darlene Knight for Jury by BDK. And I'll be back with full videos later on. And we'll talk.